Hey everyone, One Connect team here. And today we're talking about something super important in our digital age, social media privacy. We share a lot online, thoughts, photos, locations, and it's easy to forget who might be paying attention. Think of your social media profiles as your digital home. You wouldn't leave your front door unlocked for anyone to walk in, right? Privacy settings are like the locks and security system for your online presence. Having strong privacy settings gives you control over your information and who gets to see it. It helps prevent your data from being misused, whether by advertisers, hackers, or even just people you don't know well in real life. Remember, once something is online, it can be difficult to completely erase. Taking charge of your privacy settings is a crucial step in protecting yourself and your digital footprint. Facebook is like the granddaddy of social media, and it's got a ton of privacy settings to navigate. Don't worry, it's not as complicated as it seems. First, head to your settings by clicking the little arrow in the top right corner of your Facebook page. From there, you'll see a menu on the left-hand side. Click on Privacy. This is your control center for all things privacy related. You can decide who sees your future posts, who can send you friend requests, and even limit the visibility of your old posts. Another important setting to check is timeline and tagging. Here you can control who can post on your timeline and whether you want to review posts you're tagged in before they appear publicly. Take some time to explore each section of your Facebook privacy settings. It might seem tedious, but it's worth it to ensure you're comfortable with the information you're sharing. Instagram is all about sharing photos and videos, so privacy is key. To access your settings, tap on the three horizontal lines in the top right corner of your profile page. Then select Settings and then Privacy. One of the most important settings here is account privacy. If you want more control over who sees your posts, you can switch your account from public to private. This means that only your approved followers will be able to see your content. You can also manage your story settings to control who can view and reply to your temporary posts. Don't forget about activity status, which lets you hide your online status from other users. Instagram is all about building a community, but you get to decide who's invited to your online space. Take advantage of these settings to create a safe and enjoyable experience for yourself. Section 4. Twitter. Tweeting with peace of mind. Twitter is where you share your thoughts and opinions with the world, 140 characters at a time. But before you hit that tweet button, let's make sure your privacy settings are in check. Head to your settings by clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner and selecting Settings and Privacy. From there, go to the Privacy and Safety section. Here, you can control who can see your tweets, who can tag you in photos, and even mute specific words or phrases that you don't want to see in your feed. You can also choose to protect your tweets, which means that only your followers can see what you post. Twitter can be a powerful tool for connecting with others and staying informed, but it's important to be mindful of your privacy while using it. Take some time to customize your settings and ensure that you're comfortable with the level of visibility you have on the platform. Section 5. Beyond the Big Three Universal Privacy Tips. While we've focused on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter, these privacy principles apply across most social media platforms. Always be mindful of what you share, and remember that even seemingly innocent information can be pieced together to create a surprisingly detailed profile of you. Be cautious about sharing your location. Many platforms allow you to tag your location in posts, but this can be a privacy risk. Think twice before sharing your whereabouts, especially if you're at home or in a private space. Regularly review your privacy settings. Social media platforms are constantly evolving, and so are their privacy settings. Make it a habit to check your settings every few months to ensure that you're still comfortable with the level of information you're sharing. Remember, your online safety is your responsibility. By being proactive and taking control of your privacy settings, you can enjoy the benefits of social media while minimizing the risks. Section 6. Staying safe in the digital age. It's an ongoing journey, That's it for our crash course on social media privacy. Remember, taking control of your online presence is an ongoing process, not a one-time task. As technology changes and new platforms emerge, it's important to stay informed and adapt your privacy practices accordingly. Don't be afraid to explore the privacy settings on your favorite social media platforms. It might seem daunting at first, but it's worth the effort to ensure that you're sharing your information on your own terms. Stay curious, stay informed, and stay safe online.